everyone, welcome back to another very exciting video of Style Explosion, and I hope you people are doing well. So today I've got an Ajio haul for you, and there was a huge sale going on the Ajio website, and I was also fortunate enough to grab some of the amazing dresses. I got my hands on 3 stunning looking dresses for you, so it's going to be an Ajio try on haul video for you. So yeah, without further ado, let's quickly dive into the review part. So the very first dress I have for you is from the brand Rare, and the dress comes in this navy blue pattern. It's in like navy blue color with this floral print going on all over, and the print is very stunning. It's very soothing to eyes. So whenever you'll wear such kind of dresses, it's very soothing. And whenever it comes to color blue, I mean, I can never get bored of blue. Any kind of dress in blue color is definitely, you can find it in my wardrobe. If I talk about the MRP of the dress is listed as 2099, but I was lucky enough to get it only and only for rupees 524, which I feel was quite a steal deal. Talk about the overall rating for this dress, I'm gonna be giving 5 on 5 for this dress because of the material, because it's a flowy dress, and people who have been following my channel, they know that I'm somebody who likes a lot of flowers, a lot of floral work, a lot of floral prints. So yes, whenever I see floral dresses, I cannot stop myself. I just cannot resist myself from buying such dresses.
It's such a lovely long flared maxi dress. It fits me so well. The color is so good. Absolutely worth the price. And it makes me look so classy, so elegant. And I must say, it's one of those must-buy dresses for your wardrobe that you should have it. Girls, please go for it. It's a very stunning looking dress.
So moving on to our second dress in the list, we have this dress from the brand Casually, and you can see that this dress is in black color. And the best thing I like about this dress is you have this waist cut out on both the sides, so you can see the waist cut out, and this overall accentuates the whole personality. The whole vibe of this dress is very stylish. I consider wearing this dress on a beach, at a night out party, or at something really stunning, on a wedding, on my honeymoon, on someone going on their honeymoon. So yeah, but like, this is one of those very stylish, very elegant looking dress. And another best thing which I like about this dress is you have this sort of a slit going on over here, and it comes in an asymmetrical shape, which also adds on a lot of to this dress. The whole attire adds, it actually accentuates your personality. It adds some sort of a drama. Talk about the price. So the MRP is listed as 2399, but I got it only for 599 something, which is again very reasonable than the price which is actually listed on the website. Again, giving this dress 5 on 5 because of the material, because of the quality, and the slit. Obviously the asymmetrical look and the slit part is something which I really like.
Black is such an attractive color, and when you get a flawless dress like this in a combination of black and white floral print, this makes it quite a statement dress. And I must say, this dress is insanely beautiful. It makes it a perfect choice for all your beach vacation. Absolutely stunning and absolutely stylish.
Okay, so the last and the final dress I have for you is this amazing looking dress from the brand Ajio. So this is from the Ajio own brand, and this is a very stunning looking piece. Again, you can see it's in red color, red checks, with this adjustable strings at the front of it, and you also have this very matching kind of embroidery. I would say you can see this blue color embroidery at the front of it, and I really like the neck of this dress, which is like very adjustable. You can adjust these beautiful neck, and it kind of gives that turtle kind of a neck when you wear this dress. So yeah, I never had this kind of dress before, so yeah, I thought of buying it. And MRP of this dress is listed as 999, which is like 1900 something, but I got it only for 208 rupees, which was quite a steal deal for a dress like this. And definitely it's one of those go-to dress. It's a very summer dress, you can flaunt it anywhere. And how I perceive wearing this dress is, you can wear it in two ways. You can either wear it like a normal dress, and second thing is like you can wear it also like a kurti. So this dress along with like your leggings, then a dupatta, so you can wear it in two ways. Like,
Red is quite an eye-catching color, especially if you get a dress something like in red and white checks, nothing like it. I really like the way strings with the tassels. The dress feels super comfortable and such an easy wear. I also love the halter neck with the embroidery detailing on it. It's so beautiful, so stunning. The overall look of the dress is very simple yet very classy. I must say it's worth the price I have paid for it. The fabric feels so soft and so nice. I'm totally in love with this
for
dress.
people who are looking out for some of the amazing dresses, do not miss out on dresses especially like this, because very rarely you'll get these dresses for only 200 rupees. So yes, and I'm going to be leaving in the description box the links of all these dresses so that you can check them out. So yeah, with this note, let's conclude this video. And if you think that I'm making a good content, if you think that today's video is very informative, is very helpful, do give a big thumbs up, do like this video, do consider subscribing my channel, do share this video with your friends, and do not forget to comment, because your comments also gives me a lot of encouragement. So yeah, with this note, let me conclude this video, and we'll see you in the next video. So bye for now.